problem. In a complex plane C, the set Z belongs to C, arc Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4 represents. The answers are straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse. So given that Z is a complex number, that is in place of Z we take x plus I by. And also given that arc of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. So first we take Z is equals to x plus I by. And next we find the value of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 first, and next we take that arc of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Before that first we simplify this complex number. So finding the value of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. Now this is equal to we take x plus I y in place of Z, that is x plus I y minus 1 by x plus I y plus 1. And this is equals to real part plus imaginary part, x minus 1 plus I y by x plus 1 plus iy. Now here the denominator is x plus 1 plus iy. Now taking the rationalization by the term x plus 5 minus iy. Now this is x minus 1 plus iy by x plus 1 plus iy into x plus 1 minus iy by x plus 1 minus iy. Now taking the product. So first value x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Next value plus iy into x plus 1. Iy into x plus 1. Next value minus iy into x minus 1. This term into x minus 1. And last value plus iy into minus iy. That is minus I square. That is plus 5 square whole by. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Though now this is a square minus b square. X plus 1 whole square minus I square y square. That is plus 5 square. Since I square is equal to minus 1. Now Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equal to this complex number. So first we write this term in the form of a plus ib. So a means we take the real part of this expression. Real part is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now this is x square minus 1 plus y square. This is the real part. Real part पे now separate the denominator to the real part and imaginary part here. That is x plus 1 whole square plus y square. This is the real part value plus taking the imaginary part. Imaginary part means we take the I values by taking I common. I into y into x plus 1 minus y into x minus 1. This is the imaginary part by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Now this is the value of the Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. What is given? Arc of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. That is, so given that arc of Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is equals to pi by 4. What is the argument formula? Tan inverse of, now tan inverse of this imaginary part by real part, that is imaginary part by real part is equals to pi by 4, which implies imaginary part by real part is equals to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 equals to 1, that is imaginary part is equals to real part. So what is imaginary part here? This is the imaginary part. Now taking imaginary part, x into y, xy plus y minus 6y plus y by x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to real part. What is real part? X square minus 1 plus y square by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Now here these two are gets cancelled and here xy gets cancelled. Now what are remaining, which implies y plus y. 2y is equals to x square minus 1 plus y square, that is x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0, which is the equation of the circle. So answer is the second option. Next problem. If x is so small that x square and higher powers of x can be neglected, then the approximate value of 1 plus 3 by 4 into x power 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x by 3 power minus 2 is equal to. What is the approximate value of this expression? Given that x is so small so that x square and higher powers may be neglected. That is, so first we take the given expression, that is 1 plus 3 by 4 into x power 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x by 3 power minus 2. So here x square and highest powers of the given expressions may be neglected means we take the formula of this expression 1 plus x whole power n is taken as 1 plus nx only. This is the formula. Further x square and higher powers may be neglected. So when we apply the formula to this step, then what we get? 1 plus nx, that is we are writing the power at this place, that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into x into here also we take 1 minus 2, minus of minus plus 2 into 2x by 3, and this is equals to 1 plus 3x by 8 into 1 plus 4x by 3. Now taking the product of these two terms now, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 3x by 8, 3x by 8 plus 1 into 4x by 3, 4x by 3 plus 3x by 8 into 4x by 3, that is 12x square by 24. But here also we neglect the x square in highest power, so leave the last term. Now write the remaining terms only, that is 1 plus 3x by 8 plus 4x by 3. Now taking 24 LCM, 24 plus 3 are 9x plus 4 are 32x, that is 24 plus 41x by 24, and this is the third option.